Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be a makeup tutorial. I know I haven't done one of these in a very long time, but I'm really loving my camera right now, so I just wanted to show you guys my everyday makeup routine. So if you would like to see how I got this look, please continue to watch. So before you put on your makeup, you know you have to prep your skin really well. So I started with this serum. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Correcting Serum for Dark Spots. And I just put that all over my face. I actually got this product free, yes, free from Pinch Me. So the next product that I'm using is this Shiseido Benefance Eye Cream. And I'm just placing that all over my eye. I really love using eye creams. I noticed I'm starting to get some dark spots because I've been losing some sleep lately because of my kids. So this definitely helps with that. So the next product that I am using is this Peter Thomas Roth Green Relief Calming Face Oil. And it has cannabis sativa in it, you guys. I'm absolutely loving this face oil. It doesn't leave my face too greasy or oily. It just soaks right up into my skin. I know this can be a bit pricey, but it's definitely worth the price. I really love this facial oil. So the next product that I am using is from Pericone MD, and it's their Cold Plasma Plus Neck and Chest Cream. And yes, this is a sample packet, but you guys know I am a sucker for the sample packets. I truly believe in using samples, especially of these high-end products, because you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money and not like it. But I actually like this product, and I think I am going to go ahead and purchase it because it's nice and light on my skin, and it does moisturize the way I need it to. Almost ready to put on some makeup. So we are using this Tatcha Silk Canvas primer, and I am putting that near my pores where my nose is, and I'm also putting that on my smile lines. The next product that I'm using is from Julep. It's their Blank Canvas Illuminating Treatment Primer, and I'm just placing that all over my face where I didn't put the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I really like using the Silk Canvas Primer on my pores and my smile lines because I feel like my makeup will last even longer in those areas when I do this. That's just a technique that I've been loving to do lately. So I figured that I would just throw in this piece of doing my brows. I get a lot of questions about how I do my brows, how I fill them in, but as you can see, my brows are naturally really thick, so all I have to do is really just outline them and fill in all of the sparse areas, and then I just clean up with some concealer on the bottom, the lighter shade concealer on the bottom, and then on the top of my brow I use the foundation that I'm using for the day to clean up the top. So yeah, I definitely wanted to include this in, especially again because of my fancy smancy camera. I wanted to include this in so you guys can see how I achieve my brow look every day. So next we're putting on some foundation. So the foundation that I'm actually wearing today, I am testing out with a little program that I'm in with L'Oreal. So I don't know the foundation name. I don't know if it's already in the store. I don't know anything about the foundation. All I know is I'm in a product test right now and I have to use it. So definitely comment below if you like this shade, how it looks, and how it looks when I'm finished all of my makeup. Definitely comment below. That feedback will definitely go towards me completing this product trial. The next product that I'm using is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm using the color Cool Tan. And I'm just going to use that product to highlight under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. I don't highlight on my nose anymore because it can get a little shiny. So I've just started omitting that step just to avoid that extra shine. Now everyone should know what this is. This is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Everyone loves this powder. Everyone uses this powder. I know I definitely continue to use this powder to set my concealer all over, and I'm absolutely in love with it. There's nothing I want to switch it with, at least right now, so yeah. On to the lashes. So the lashes that I'm using today is from a brand called Ms. Lash, and I get my lashes from a site called loveeyelashes.com. I will leave the link below if you would like to check it out. They have nice affordable lashes, and I really like this brand of lashes. They are 3D lashes. You cannot beat that. I am absolutely obsessed with 3D lashes. Here I just use a random black eyeliner pencil, and for my bottom lashes I use my Marc Jacobs mascara. Now it's time to contour. So I am using this Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Espresso, and I am just going to contour my inner cheekbones and around my forehead. And I find that the secret to having a great contour is really taking your time to blend the product out. I like using cream products to contour because I feel like it just blends a lot better and looks a lot smoother on the face. So when you use those cream products, definitely make sure you take your time to blend them out so you can get the look that you're looking for. And I really like to blend everything all together once I've taken off my setting powder and I finished contouring. I like to blend everything in together so it makes my face look even more airbrushed and seamless prior to putting on highlighter and blush. The blush that I'm using today is from Becca Cosmetics. It's in the color Dahlia. I absolutely love this blush. It's a nice plum color. A little bit goes a long way though because it is very powdery, so if you don't want to have super plum cheeks, definitely be careful when using this product. Just pick up a little bit and dust off some and then put it on your face and you'll be good to go. On to the highlight. So this is an everyday look, so we're not going to go super glam with the highlight. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Illuminator, and I'm just putting a little bit on my nose, my forehead, my chin, and my under eye area, and my cupid's bow. And I really love this product. I've been using this for a very long time. I don't blend anything with it when I use it. I just use it straight on its own, and I just love the highlight that it creates when I'm done. On to the lips. Now you guys should know the lip liner that I love to use every day. If not, it is MAC's Bittersweet. I am obsessed with this lip liner. It goes well with any new lipstick that you want to wear. I have repurchased this so many times. It's just the bomb. It's just the bomb. That's all I gotta say about that. The lipstick that I chose to wear today is from Bite Beauty, and it is the color Demi Glaze. I definitely really like it. If I got the color wrong, I'll leave it down below, but I'm pretty certain it's called Demi Glaze. I really like it. It's a sample again, and I will definitely be purchasing the full size because I absolutely love it. Unfortunately, I don't know the lip color for this right here, but it's pretty much like a golden lip gloss that I use just to add some more golden undertones or overtones to my lippy. I just wanted to show you guys my edges. I'm absolutely loving this edge control that I am using. I was thinking about doing a video about my favorite edge control products. If you would like to see that video, definitely comment below and let me know, and I will do that for you guys. And I have linked the details to my hair in a card above. I actually reviewed this unit that I am wearing. If you would like to see what it is, where I got it from, all the tea related to it, definitely click the card above and you will see my review for this hair from the company Love Me Hair. And that is my everyday makeup look, you guys. I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe to my channel for new interesting content such as this. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.